Alright, welcome back to Beck. Today we're going to mess with the FML 250. First, let's do a cold start. I left the truck in reverse. I got some ruts. Two-wheel drive sucks. If we don't get stuck down here. Just trying to get in here. I don't know if it's gonna work.
A few moments later.
Tried to swing it, try to come up through there, and obviously that didn't work. If I back down there, it's going to be worse, so that's as far as we're going. Either work on this or go to the bar. Well, I got something to scrape with. Yay! Well, that was easy. So remember, kids, you don't want a two-wheel drive if you're out in the country. For a truck, anyway. Front-wheel drive, you can get away with. Rear-wheel drive truck, no bueno. I should probably clean out the passenger side since that come out pretty easy, so that's what I'm going to do real quick. Better than it was. This is by far not the dumbest thing I've ever done. So it just kind of takes your motivation away a little bit. But I'm going to try to put these pans in, or at least drill holes, maybe a couple pot rivets so I can feel like I did something. And then may call it for the day. We'll see. So far the bar didn't win out at the moment, so... And of course I forgot the piece of angle that I was going to utilize. I may just drill, 2 on each side, pot rivet those in for today, so at least that'll enclose this, so if we do have to do another mud adventure, it won't sling mud all up in here. Oh well. But the door right now won't close like that, so I need to roll this over. Now I got that bent over. Another spider sticks of lumber over there.
Ain't no change in the summer, ain't no change in the fall, ain't no change in the winter, ain't no change at all. She's got me down. Baby, that ain't all. Ain't no change in the darkness, ain't no change in the light, ain't no change in the morning. Noon or night, she's got me down. Baby, that ain't all. Ain't no change in my fortune, ain't no change in my pain, ain't no change in the sunshine, ain't no change in the rain. She's got me down. Baby, that ain't all. Ain't no change in the city, ain't no change in the woods, ain't no change over in Paris, ain't no change here in the hood. She's got me down. Baby, that ain't all. Ain't no change by the seaside, ain't no change by the high, ain't no change in me, just a woman die. She's got me down. Baby, that ain't all. She's got
I had to run to Harbor Freight because I forgot my pot rivet gun. And they got me. All I needed was a couple drill bits and a pot rivet gun, which I got. But then I started thinking, it's like maybe I could just use some self-tapping screws. So I got that. Then I decided I needed a couple drill bits because I only got 2 here and the one's really worn. So I got that. Then I needed a backup. And I probably got 4 drill cases at home with all the small bits that are broken. So I got replacements. And this tool bag was nearby, and I thought that'd be perfect for the grinder. So I should have spent like $9. I spent $52. Damn you, Harbor Freight. try this end first.
Ain't no change in the light, ain't no change in the morning. Noon all night she's coming down. Well, that ain't all. Ain't no change in my fortune, ain't no change in my pain, ain't no change in the sunshine, ain't no change.
Oh yeah, I must have did body work on my previous life. Well, I will say it's better than it was. There's not a huge gaping hole down here. Obviously, this thing's got rust issues. In previous videos, or at least one, you could see all the support underneath the utility box. It's all laid out, so that's why we're not getting too fancy with this little repair. Be enough to keep the water out from the road when it rains, but I'm not investing a whole lot in it. Alright, second side. Went ahead and got all the holes drilled in that. Gonna mount it up in here, drill them. Alright. I don't know how good that metal is back there. Yeah, obviously it's not good at all. I can see it now. Well, a stopping point, especially since it's dark now, so that's where we're going to quit. Thanks for watching.